Hi everyone, my name is Alf Matthews and I'm studying at Prajonikam College, Pudukad. And today I'm going to take a presentation on the topic recent business trends of Reliance Industries. Now let's move on to the video. Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance Enterprise Limited is a non-government company which was incorporated on 22nd October 1991. It is a public unlisted company. It is classified as company limited by shares. The company has an authorized capital of rupees 30,000 lakh. The paid up capital of the company is rupees 900 lakhs. The company is registered at Ahmedabad Registrar Office. Here is a table which gives the additional information regarding Reliance Enterprise Limited. In this table, we can see the CIN code, the date of incorporation, status of the company, company category, company subcategory, company class, business activity, authorized capital, paid up capital, percentage of paid up capital, registrar office city, registered state, registration number, registration date, listing status, AGM last held on. Debt-free company. Reliance Enterprise recently became a zero debt company. The Reliance Industries Limited chairman Mr. Mukesh Ambani declared that the company had paid out all its debts. The company was able to raise the money by offsetting investments in both the Reliance Enterprise as well as the telecom engine Jio. Mukesh Ambani recently said that they were able to raise rupees 1,68,818 crore within the space of 58 days. The Jio Enterprise raised rupees 1,15,693 crore within the span of 11 weeks. Reliance Group itself raised rupees 53,124 crore. By the above two means of investments, the company were able to raise the money to pay off their debts. Here is a diagrammatic representation of various investments made by other companies in Jio Enterprises. In this table, we can see the list of companies who recently invested in Jio Platforms Limited. The first one is Facebook. The second one is Silver Lake Partners. Third one is Vista Equity Partners. Fourth one is Central Atlantic. Fifth one is KKR. Sixth one is Mumba Abdullah. Seventh one, Silver Lake Partners, who invested additionally. Then the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, then TPG, then Al Catron. Facebook's deal with Jio Platforms. Facebook recently invested in Jio Platforms Limited. There are two further subsidiary companies under Reliance Industries Limited. They are Reliance Jio Infocorp Limited and Jio Platforms Limited. Only Reliance Industries Limited have listed in public NSE and neither the subsidiary companies. Reliance Industries gets the benefit of this investment because they own the 100% ownership of Jio Platforms Limited. Facebook recently invested rupees 43,574 crore, which is nearly 9.9% of the total stake of Jio Platforms Limited. Reasons why Facebook invested in Reliance. The first one, to increase the commerce opportunities in India. Second reason, it is done by supporting digital business and digital commerce in India. The third point is Reliance is the largest telecom venture in India, and that's why Facebook invested in Jio Platforms Limited. The fourth, Facebook are planning to support and foster the business including small and medium enterprise by joining hands with Reliance. The next point, Facebook believes in Reliance that they can carry out a long-term business relationship in India. And the last point, Facebook recognizes that there are many opportunities that can be exploited in the future. Here are the name of other companies and the details who additionally invested in Jio Enterprise, also known as Jio Platforms Limited. The first one is Silver Lake Partners. They bought nearly 2.08 stakes in Jio platforms. The company announced that they will invest rupees 10,202 crore in Jio platforms. The company further invested 1.1% in Jio platforms. The second one is Vista Equity Partners. Vista Equity have invested around rupees 11 lakh 367 crore in Jio platforms. The next one is General Atlantic. General Atlantic is a US-based company. They have brought nearly 1.34% stake of Jio platforms. The next one is KKR. They invested nearly 2.32%. Then it is Mubadala. It is an Abu Dhabi sovereign wealth fund who invested nearly 1.15%, which is rupees 9,093 crore in Jio platforms. Next company is ADIA. Then the seventh one, TPG, the eighth one at Caltron. I hope this video is more useful to you, and thank you.